Urinary catheter removal in males. Equipment required for this procedure include disposable gloves, sterile cotton, normal saline, a 10 milliliter syringe for deflation of the catheter balloon, waterproof disposable pad, kidney tray or bedpan, waste bin or disposal bag. Steps: perform hand hygiene and put on gloves. A waterproof pad can be placed between thighs to prevent soiling of the bed linen. Use a sterile gauze pad or cotton ball dipped in normal saline for cleaning. Gently retract the foreskin, if present, and clean the area around the gland's penis with normal saline. Start at the urethral meatus and move away from it to prevent contamination of the urinary tract. Check the records of the patient to see how much water was used to inflate the balloon of the catheter. Before attempting to remove the catheter, the balloon must be deflated completely by removing the same volume of fluid. Attach hub of the syringe to the inflation valve of the balloon port and pull the plunger back. Allow the sterile water to flow back naturally into the syringe as the balloon deflates. This may have to be repeated until the volume of fluid used to inflate the balloon is removed. Slowly and gently pull the catheter out of the urethra. Inspect the removed catheter for any signs of incrustation, especially if a new catheter needs to be inserted. Dispose of the catheter, draining tubing and collection bag appropriately. Remove the gloves and discard them. Perform hand hygiene and document the procedure.